Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add calculator shortcut to control center. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on first of all scroll down, then tap and press this blank option. Okay, and click on add a control. Okay, just tap add a control and select calculator, then scroll down, okay, tap on calculator and add this control center to add calculator shortcut. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.